The Engineering Engagement Programme is a key part of our Diversity and Inclusion Programme, a programme that we've set up to increase diversity and inclusion right across engineering. What it does is it responds to and supports the need for more students, more engineering graduates to transition from engineering education into engineering employment.
So this is an opportunity for employers to directly engage with students from underrepresented backgrounds to try and encourage both parties to come together and then get more engineers into the UK.
If you don't reach out, if there isn't a specific message to people who don't see themselves reflected in a profession, they can go away with the idea that actually the profession doesn't want them.
Over the two-day event, we have a lot of different training sessions that are going on. We're helping students think about what are the different areas of engineering that they can or should be focusing themselves on so they can be maximally successful. Then we get to some more detailed things like, here's a sort of interview question you might be dealing with. There's a speed networking session. Students will have this really unparalleled opportunity to meet in rapid succession representatives, both from the human resources side and the line engineering side, of some of the top engineering firms in the world.
Last year when I was applying for summer placements, I was getting a lot of rejections. I was struggling with finding out what I was doing wrong, whereas now I can see where I might not have been so strong.
So we went through video interviews and we recorded each other, and as well as that, just networking. That's such an important skill, and I really felt like I was able to practice that in a really intense way.
I've made so many connections. It's incredible. You don't get this anywhere.
Having attended the Engineering Engagement Programme, I would say they should definitely apply. With some of the other professions and professional divisions like banking or consulting, a lot of students have heard of them before, whereas that's sometimes not the case with engineering. And especially for me, I'd not heard about many of the companies that were actually attending. So I wanted to come here and actually explore them and see what they had to offer me.
It's because of this now I'm thinking about software engineering, I'm thinking about system engineering, I'm thinking about refinery even more. Speaking to professionals, you know, it's a big thing.
We want fresh, diverse thinking to come into our business, and people with a diverse background will challenge and think in a different way.
I'd absolutely encourage organisations to get involved with the Engineering Engagement Programme. As part of the scheme, we were able to offer a pilot opportunity to take on 5 students to join the organisation. It's a fabulous opportunity to not only meet lots of really great potential talent in engineering, but also to network with other organisations, learn from those organisations and understand what they're doing.
The programme has benefited me by allowing me to meet more female engineers.
It has inspired me in my studies as an engineer.
It has got me thinking of different routes, different career paths.
It literally kick-started my career.
Our next step for this programme is really to extend it, to invite more employers to take part so that we can run more events and engage more students and really start to drive those transition rates into employment.